Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I'll talk about HP Envy Move 23.8-inch all-in-one PC. So friend, the HP Envy Move 23.8-inch all-in-one PC is unique form factor that offers a new way to experience content anywhere. So friend, it is the world's first movable all-in-one with a QHD display for a premium high-definition viewing experience. And it is also the world's first all-in-one with adaptive surround sound that senses where you are and who you are with for an immersive audio experience in any room and be productive by day, whether it is school assignment or work project, and constantly game at night with up to a 13th generation Intel Core i5 processor, up to 16 GB of LPDDR5 memory, and up to 1 TB of storage, and never miss a moment across your technology with Intel Unison to easily content an iOS or Android phone for file sharing, phone calls, and text and notifications. And friend, it will be come with a HP wide vision 5 megapixel camera, manually switch off your camera for privacy with the integrated shutter to keep praying eyes at be in middle of your downward facing dog. And friend, its AI-based image single processor allows the device to automatically turn the screen off when you leave and quickly wake up when you return. And friend, the Envy Move also features AI-based wellness reminder for screen time and distance to improve well-being. And so if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.